If L is parallel to K in the figure below, what is the value of X? Okay, here we have 3 line segments are connected each other, right? Then draw one more line here that is parallel to line L. Let's say this is M, okay? And draw another one at this point that is parallel to the other 3 lines, L, M, K. Let's say this is line N. So we have 4 lines parallel each other. Then if this is 20, we know that this is also 20, right? Alternate interior angles, right? If this is 35, this is also 35. Again, this is alternate interior angles. Now, if we look at these 2 angles right here, they're consecutive interior angles, right? When we have 2 parallel lines, the sum of consecutive interior angles is always equal to 180, right? So the angle from here to here, that's 110, right? Because this was 130 and this is 20. So 130 minus 20, this is 110. And if this is 110, the angle from here to here, the green one, that has to be equal to 70, right? So this is a 70. So what is the value of X? X here is 70 plus 35. So X is equal to 70 plus 35. So that is equal to 105.